This is a typical questions about area ratio, length ratio to find out certain area values. So it starts from BE to EC. This section to this section is 5 to 2. 5K to 2K. And then they give us some area which is triangle CDE. This area is 40 cm squared. So to calculate about this, first, it's very common that we are going to find some similar triangle. And then whenever we find our parallel lines, we can find out similar triangle by putting a cross here. So this angle yield this angle, and this angle yield this angle. So therefore, there is the similar triangle AEB and also triangle FEC are similar. These two are similar, and which means that the corresponding length ratio is fixed to 5 to 2. So this is 2, which means this is 5 times. Similar reason, if I let this one is 2h, then the opposite corresponding side here should be 5h. And because ABCD is a parallelogram, so this is 5h, which implies that the opposite side is also 5h. Afterward, 5h and 2h here provide the connection between this triangle to triangle CEF. And then triangle CEF can be connected to triangle FBE, which is our target. So first, by doing this, we find out this area, and then finally we find out our target area. To find out this part, we focus in this triangle together with this triangle. These two triangles share the same height, which means that the base ratio is the only thing matter which will affect the area. So in this case, the length ratio here, the base ratio here, determine the area ratio. This area to this area should be 5 to 2. 40 representing 5 proportions, so each proportion is 8, and then you get 2 of them, so this is 16. In formula, which means that if I let the area here is A1, A1 to 40 is equal to 2 to 5. So A1 is equal to 2 over 5 times 40. We get 16. Similar reason, we are going to connect these two triangles. One of them is our target. Together with this triangle, again, they share the same height, which means that the base ratio is the only thing affect the area. 16 representing 2 proportions, divided by 2, each proportion also 8, and then we get 5 proportions, so it's also 40 cm squared in this part. That's why our answer is B.